Hi, I have a new project for you. I didn't do a lot of pre-planning for it and it shows, but I like the end product and I hope you will too. So be caring, be kind, and be creative. Have fun. Let's get to work. Time for mixed media mayhem. Good morning. Here I am at my workspace. Got my coffee, thank goodness. We're going to start something. And I usually plan these things a little bit, but I'm not going to plan this at all. We're going to just do this together. I've got this nice box, wooden box, a palette that my husband bought but didn't use, so I'm going to use it. In fact, I'm going to use the inside more than the outside. So, with that said, let me wipe it out a little bit. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cover it with this ephemera. I've got all of these book pages that I took out of a book that I'm going to alter. And we're going to just cover the whole thing with that. I'm using gloss medium because I have more of that than I do of the matte medium. This is the Liquitex gloss medium and varnish. I wouldn't call it a varnish so much though, because this doesn't work very well as a varnish. I'm just going to start by covering this . Don't worry if there's too much because it'll all work out in the end. It always does. I'm going to cover not only the bottom but the sides as well. And up over the edge. Get all those nice and gooey. Okay, I've got all the ephemera down, all the book pages. Now I'm going to let that dry. Got a few wrinkles in there, not too bad. Not going to worry about it. A little bit of texture never hurt anything. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry now, and I will see you in a little bit. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of color now. I chose orange and purple because one, I love them, two, they're complementary colors and they're very bold, and I'm into bold colors these days. Hi, in retrospect, I think I should have gessoed these and painted these before I glued them down. But hindsight is 20/20. I'm tearing this edges off of this paper because it's easier to glue down rough edges. They really just stay down better. I'm using this because I love the butterflies and the blue in it. I think the blue is a good color to add at this point. You can use any kind of tissue paper you want though, so have fun. when you're using napkins as a background or for anything, napkins are made with 2 layers. So once again, you take off the edges to get the manufactured straight edges off, so you have a ragged edge just like the tissue paper. Second of all, you want to take that second layer off. It's not easy, but it's well worth it. If you don't take the second layer off, the first layer will come right off, and it won't stick. So, and you'll just have a big white blob there. So, this is an important step. put a few finishing touches on this piece. Still not sure what to call it, but I really like it. I put some Stabilo around the edges and around the edges of the flower. And then I sealed that Stabilo. Instead of using a water brush like I normally do, I used a brush with acrylic medium on it. Gloss medium, just like the rest of the piece. And that way, not only does it spread the Stabilo, but it seals it as well. So I like that. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notification every time I post a video. Thank you and have a great day.